Hello, welcome back. Today, let's try Leetcode problem 74, search a 2D matrix. So this is from the Leetcode daily challenge. Yeah. So we are giving m times n integer matrix with the following two properties. So each row is sorted in non-decreasing order. So this is for each of the row, it is always in increasing order. Yeah. And also for each of the column, it is also in increasing order. So this is what we are giving. Yeah. So it is said the first integer of each row is greater than the last integer of the previous row. Yeah, it is annoying, but basically it is said the second row is bigger than the first row. The third row is bigger than the second row. Yeah, it's greater than the last row. Yeah. So giving an integer target, return true if target is inside the matrix or false otherwise. Yeah. Let's check the example of target 3. So it is inside the first row, so we're going to return a true. So for example, this is a 13. So 13 is not inside, so we're going to return a false. But how should we solve this problem? Because we need to use the time complexity of O log m times n, this means we should use log m plus log n, because that equals to log m times n. Yeah. So for that, we can search for the first column. So inside, for example, we are going to find number 13. We are going to try to find in the first column, for example, 110. Yeah, we're going to stop from the 10, this position. So it means the second row. And then we are going to search 13 inside the second row. Use binary search. It means we're going to use two binary search. Yeah, and then the time complexity should be log m times n. Yeah, so for the binary search inside this array, the second row, we're going to find 13. It's not inside, so we're going to return false. Yeah, also for the first column, this is we're going to use a binary search to find a number that is smaller or equal to our target. Yeah, because 10 is smaller or equal to target, and from 23 must be bigger than my target. Yeah, so this means this is a possible result for the first row. It may be inside, but unfortunately for us, we don't have a 13. But if this 16 is a 13, we're gonna return true. Yeah, I think I've already explained enough. Let's go to the code editor to finish the coding. So this is basically a template. I'm going to define a template function, binary search. This is just a normal binary search. So inside the nums, I'm going to finish my binary search if I find a number. This binary search is for the row. For example, this is the first row. I'm going to check this first row if I have a target of 13 or not. Yeah, this one for 13 or not. So this is my nums. So I'm going to write the template function for binary search. So it is 0 to len nums. And while the L pointer should equal to the R pointer, I'm going to define my M. M should equal to L plus R minus L divided by 2. And then I'm going to check if my nums M is more than target. Yeah, if it is more than the target, it means my right pointer should be equal to M minus 1. Yeah, and if nums M is less than target, it means we are not enough. So from the left side, the left pointer should be M plus 1. Else, if we find our result, we're going to return a true. Because this is our result, we're going to return a true or false. If we didn't find, we're going to return a false. So this is the binary search for each row. For example, it's this row. Now we are going to use binary search to find the column. Yeah. So for the column, basically it's the same. Just we need to define two variables, L and R. L should be 0, and column should be len of matrix minus 1. This means we are going to search for the first column. Yeah, len matrix is how many rows? We have 3 rows, minus 1 it is 2. So the index is 0 to 2. Yeah, so this column. Then we're going to use a binary search for check if L less than or equal to R, and we're going to define M So the midpoint should be L plus, similarly, it's totally the same, R minus L divided by 2. And we're going to check if this nums M. So what is the nums M? It is a matrix. Yeah, because it's the first column. So it is a matrix. First column is a 0. So it is a matrix M0. It means we are going to take the first column. It is made. It is this place. For example, for this column, it is a 10. So if this matrix M0 is less than target or more than target. If it is more than target, let's do it more than target. Yeah, basically it's the same. It always depended on how we're gonna write our template function for binary search. It can be L less than R or L less than or equal to R. If we use L less than or equal to R, we have to use we have to check this. If matrix M more than the target, it means it's not enough. So for the R pointer should be M minus 1, because only in this condition R equal to M minus 1 can we find a possible value maybe equal to target or less than target. Yeah. Else, so matrix M0 less than or equal to target. So if it is a less than or equal to target, so the L pointer should be M plus 1. Yeah, we have to use a plus 1, otherwise we cannot jump out of the loop. Yeah, we don't want to write an infinite loop for the binary search. Yeah. Now, what are we going to return? So our result, if we jump out of the loop, the R should be this row. Because if it is more than the target, for example, it is here, so the R should be M minus 1, it will go to here, and then it is the end of the loop, for example. Yes, it's just an example for the binary search. So here, we're just gonna return our binary search. So inside the binary search, it should be matrix R or L minus 1. It's the same, because if we're gonna jump out of the loop, the L minus 1 should be here, and then we're gonna return L minus 1. But the R should be at this place. It is R. Now let me run it to check if it really works. Yeah, as you can see, it works. Yeah, now let me submit it to check if it can pass all the testing cases. There's an error. List index out of range. Yeah. If nums M. Yeah, this is a matrix 1, target 2. Yeah, if this nums M more than the target, the R should be L minus 1, and if nums M less than target, it should be L equals 2. Else we find if this matrix M0 more than the more than the target, it should be R should equal to M minus 1, else L should equal to M plus 1. Yeah, let me return the L minus 1 first to check if it is okay. It's the same for this one. If nums M more than the target, R should equal to M minus 1. Oh, this is a string. So if I only have one value, oh, here I did something wrong. I write my template wrong. I should be more careful about that. It should always be len nums minus 1. Yeah, this is why. Now let me submit it to check if it really works. Yeah, here I mean L minus 1 or R, it's the same. Yeah. As you can see, it really works and it's pretty fast. Thank you for watching. If you think this is helpful, please like and subscribe. I will upload more